Have you heard about beginner's luck? Well, you're lucky to have found this video. Investment is not for everyone, but for those willing to take the risk, indeed is amazing. Beginners in this area will always look for the best, and if not, the safest investment. Welcome to Nova Society, the world's best finance channel for personal finance. If you are interested in this kind of video content, then this is the perfect channel for you. Make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on our recent uploads. High Yield Savings Account, HYSA. If you desire greater returns on your funds but are scared about investing, you might consider opening a High Yield Savings Account, HYSA. An HYSA offers a significantly higher annual percentage yield, APY, compared to a conventional savings account, enabling you to maximize your money's growth without the associated risks of investing. When seeking an HYSA, it's advisable to compare options from various financial institutions, such as CIT Accelerated Savings. However, it's important to note that selecting an account solely based on the highest APY may not always be the optimal choice. Take the time to carefully review the terms of each HYSA under consideration, paying attention to details like minimum balances or annual fees, to find the most suitable high-yield savings account for your needs. 401k. Countless employers in the United States provide a 401k retirement plan as part of their employee benefits package. With a 401k, a portion of your salary is set aside as a contribution either before or after taxes, depending on the type of account. A traditional 401k involves pre-tax contributions, reducing your taxable income but requiring you to pay taxes when you withdraw funds during retirement. On the other hand, a Roth 401k entails upfront taxation of contributions, allowing for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Some employers offer a matching contribution, up to a certain percentage of your salary. For instance, if you earn $50,000 and your employer offers a 100% match for the first 6% you contribute, they will contribute $3,000 per year, provided you also contribute at least that amount. The maximum employee contribution limit for the 2023 tax year is currently $22,500. Short-term certificates of deposit, CD. This is a type of savings account that offers a higher annual percentage yield, APY, compared to a traditional savings account. When opening a CD, you deposit a lump sum of money for a specified time. During this term, you are unable to access the funds without incurring a penalty. Once the CD reaches its maturity date, you have the option to withdraw the funds or reinvest them in a new CD. CD terms can range from as short as 6 months to as long as 5 years. Typically, longer-term CDs offer higher APYs. However, there are also short-term no-penalty CDs available, such as CIT's 11-month no-penalty CD. It's important to note that CDs offered by federally insured banks are protected by deposit insurance up to $250,000 per customer. Money market accounts, MMA. This is an alternative low-risk choice that offers a higher annual percentage yield, APY, compared to a regular savings account. Similar to a savings account, MMAs provide the advantage of easy access to your funds. They often come with additional benefits such as a debit card or the ability to write checks, allowing you to conveniently use the money when necessary. Quantic Adaptive Digital Bank offers a competitive money market account option that combines accessibility through a debit card and check writing capabilities with the benefit of earning a higher APY than a traditional savings account. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to save with low risk. Mutual funds. A mutual fund is a collection of investments that you can buy shares of, and a professional manager makes decisions on where to allocate the money. This approach helps you achieve diversification and mitigates the risk of putting all your money into a single investment. When you are young, it is generally advisable to have a larger portion of your portfolio in stocks, which carry higher risk but offer greater long-term earning potential. As you approach retirement age, your investment mix will typically shift more towards bonds, which are lower risk and provide a steady income in retirement. Opting for a target date mutual fund allows you to specify your retirement date, enabling the fund to focus on stocks during your younger years and gradually transition towards bonds as you approach retirement. Index funds. Instead of a fund manager making investment decisions, an index fund invests money based on a specific market index. For instance, an S&P 500 index fund would purchase stocks from this particular index, which comprises approximately 500 top-performing companies in the United States. While index funds often have a minimum investment requirement, certain reputable brokerage platforms like JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing typically allow you to invest in an index fund without such a minimum. Moreover, by opening and funding an account with JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing, you can potentially earn up to $700 in rewards. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, operate similarly to index funds as they follow a specific market index such as the S&P 500. However, the distinction lies in the fact that ETFs can be bought and sold at any time during the trading day, with investors purchasing them at varying share prices, much like individual stocks on a stock exchange. Compared to mutual funds, ETFs are often more cost-effective to buy and manage, with certain brokerage firms offering them at zero commission. Robo Advisors. This is a technology-driven investment platform that utilizes algorithms to manage your investments according to your specified goals. This automated approach eliminates the need for hands-on involvement, making it particularly suitable for individuals who are new to investing. Robo Advisors typically offer lower fees compared to traditional human advisors or brokers, which makes them especially appealing to beginners with limited financial resources. Q.ai, a recent entrant in this field, currently does not charge any fees, although there is a minimum investment requirement. Investment apps. An alternative suitable for beginners is an investment application like Acorns, Betterment, M1 Finance, or Robinhood. These apps offer the convenience of depositing money through recurring transfers or by linking your debit or credit card. They may also provide a rounding up feature, where transactions are rounded up to the nearest dollar, with the difference being deposited into your account. For instance, Acorns enables you to connect your card and automatically rounds up transactions, investing the spare change once it reaches $5. These apps act as robo-advisors, investing your funds in ETFs. This hands-off approach is ideal if you want to venture into investing with a small amount of money and explore the experience. Take the risk and win, but you must also be willing to lose as you are just kickstarting your journey in investments. Even the most successful investors would tell that they've been on the same path as you when they began investing. So don't lose hope and continuously seek which works best for you. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.